Welcome to Brilliant Infosystems, delivering AI-powered quality inspection solutions that transform manufacturing quality through artificial intelligence, computer vision, and real-time defect detection. Traditional quality inspection often relies on manual visual checks, making it difficult to maintain consistent quality, detect micro-defects, and keep pace with high-speed production. As manufacturing demands grow, businesses need faster, smarter, and more reliable inspection solutions. Brilliant provides a complete AI quality inspection solution featuring industrial cameras, intelligent lighting systems, AI vision software, machine learning models, quality analytics dashboards, and seamless MES integration. Every product moving through the inspection station is automatically captured by high-resolution cameras. The AI vision engine performs real-time inspection to verify dimensions, assembly quality, labels, packaging integrity, component presence, surface finish, color consistency, and overall product quality. Powered by advanced artificial intelligence and deep learning, the system accurately detects scratches, cracks, dents, missing components, incorrect assembly, dimensional variations, and packaging defects with exceptional precision. Inspection results are instantly recorded, providing real-time dashboards, defect analytics, rejection reports, and complete traceability. Brilliant AI quality inspection solutions help manufacturers achieve 100% product inspection, higher inspection accuracy, fewer quality defects, improved customer satisfaction, and increased production efficiency. Transform your quality control operations with Brilliant Infosystems and achieve world-class manufacturing quality through intelligent automation. Brilliant delivers digital supply chain software for warehouse management, warehouse control, order management, delivery management, third-party logistics, manufacturing execution, enterprise asset management, real-time location tracking, and AI-powered analytics. We accelerate Industry 4.0 with automated storage and retrieval systems, digital engineering, digital twins, simulation, emulation, PLC programming, warehouse automation, conveyors sortation, automated guided vehicles, and autonomous mobile robots. Our industrial hardware portfolio includes RFID, Bluetooth Low Energy, LoRa IoT sensors, barcode and identification systems, mobile computing. Our Brilliant Light solution includes pick-to-light devices, weighing systems, load cell validation, and automation hardware. With headquarters in Pune, manufacturing facilities in India, worldwide channel partners, deployments across more than 9 countries, and dedicated 24/7 support, Brilliant delivers consulting, implementation, and lifetime customer success. Brilliant, engineering the future of smart warehousing and industrial automation.